Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are learning how to add a cinematic New Year countdown reveal using CapCut Mobile. Let's get started. Step number 1. Open up the app and tap New Project or select existing edits. The second step is the fun part, adding the reveal animation. Tap on your video clip in the timeline to select it, and you will see a toolbar pop up at the bottom of your screen. Scroll over and tap on Animation. Make sure you switch to the tab In. Look for the effect name till 2026 or New Year Countdown. You can try on different options. Once you apply it, you will see New Year inspired countdown in your video. At the bottom of the animation tab, you will see a duration slider. You can shorten or extend it according to what you need. The last step is before exporting, watch your video from beginning to the end to check for adjustments.
Ba 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 na na. Ba 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 na na. Oh, ba 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 na na.
And there you have it, a quick, lively, and incredibly stylish New Year countdown reveal. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless us all.